Okay, folks, Jeff from RV Diagnostics got a weird looking orange hat on. All right, we had the 10K generator running. I don't know what video this is, fifth or sixth, but I'll figure it out when I print in the information for the video. But here we go. We're going to talk about these panels I'm inserting. You do not at any time tighten any bolts up till you get all the bolts in. You see, this is your air divider because your fan's down in there. So all of them, all the way around the back, all of them in first. Then you put your top on because you got some back here, right there. And right there. Let me get a little bit closer there for you. Okay, right there. See, I blocked it. Okay, right there. So there you go. Get all your panels in first before you tighten everything up. She was running real good. I didn't do the 120 yet. I didn't want to load her up. But she ran. I got all the air out. You can crack a line. These lines right here are your return from your injector rails. So what I do is just pop one of them loose, hit the prime button. One, get all the air out of it. Two, once I get the system all bled, I don't have to worry about starting it. You know what I mean? Crank it, and it don't start. So, and the other one is, you close all that, pressurize the system to see if you have any leaks. All right, so now I'm wrapping this job up, folks. I kind of wish it was quick as these videos are, but it's okay. Thank you very much for the opportunity to borrow your ear and eyes on RV Diagnostic YouTube channel. Remember, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. It's growing and growing. Thank you very much. The Facebook page, RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting, is at 23,000, going to 24,000. And this is less than 4 years. So what's the motto? Test, not guess. Come on, you got to get that down. All right, the next one is, safe travels. May your campfires burn bright till we meet again. Where? Here on the YouTube channel, RV Diagnostics. Maybe on the Facebook page where I tell you, hey, I message you. See you on the side. We'll talk about all this stuff and help you out. Hopefully that convince you that we can do this one-on-one and you join my website. Yeah, I make a little money on it. Come on. $118, $150 a year, $9.30 to $12 a month, and you get me. The first time you use me, it pays itself. And there's a lot of satisfied member. What's more important is you learn your RV and you're self-sufficient. You don't have to worry about a bunch of people dropping it off and being without your RV for 3 months, all right? And like I always say, I might see you at a campground. I might see you getting fuel. I might see you on the road. Thank you very much. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. This is the end of this series of a 10K onan generator, services, air, fuel filter, oil filter, fuel pump, and fuel filter. I think I said that already. And how to do it and how to make it come out of the slide and all. Thank you very much for the opportunity.